Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add reviews to Shopify store completely free. So if you want to do this free, I can show you, but this is a little bit of extra work because you have to add manually completely by yourself. But there are some of the application which can help you to add reviews, right? So here, for example, if you want to go the easiest way, just go to the application, go to the Shopify app store, and of course it's going to be free. You don't have to pay. So here you can just write here reviews, right? And here you will get a lot of applications, so you can install any one of them. For example, looks product review app, and here the review will be look like this. For example, if I just go and click on any of the product here, right, these are the reviews. You can add the reviews, you can import reviews, right? So this is the easiest way. But let me show you a little bit of much more with the freedom. So you have to go to the theme section, and let's say you have to just go to the customize, right? And once you go to the customize, here in the left side you have to just go and click on add a section, and here you have to select a image with text, or for example, let me show you multi-column. So in the multi-column row, here you will able to add a reviews. I will show you how you can do this. So for example, this is a box, so I can just go and click on select an image, and I can just add a review. So for example, I will just add an image first of all. So here you can add the face of person, and in the column section you can just add the name here. So I'll just write here Lily, right? And here you can just add the exact reviews, right? And you can also add a link label. So for example, if customer click on here, and it will redirect to the specific product, and here I can just write here reviews, right? And this is how you can just add for completely free. You can add as many reviews as you want. So if you found this video and this trick very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.